Howdy folks, I'm MammaCass. Look at the state. And now we'll do some fire hydrants to the side. Oh. Squat pulses. Squat pulses. You squat and then pulse it. Hands together. And we said there 30 seconds. Okay. Single leg glute bridges. I'm not going to do them at the moment, I'm tired. Sideline leg lifts I could do. And we're back to the start. Okay, so we'll do single leg glute bridges. And then after that, we'll do those. And that'll be done for today. So, bridge up, and then left leg. onto the side for sorry. So on this side, you keep hips stacked above each other, and then toes pointed forward, and then lift leg high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then the other way. I'm gonna crash after this, I think. Use my nebulizer and crash out. I've been sleeping odd patterns at the moment. Hips stacked on top of each other, toes pointing forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, alright, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ow, 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 fuck. Oh, that's me done for today, guys. I can't do it anymore. Oh my god. It's going to take a little while for me to get back on my A game, I think. My lips are a bit blue. I need my nebulizer. But that's me done for today. I hope you enjoyed my exercise. I hope those of you who are quite disabled can see that, yes, I am very disabled. I actually have a lot wrong with me, and I still push to do this because it's what's best for my health. As hard as it is, there's some that can be done that, like the ones that I've done today, are ones that I can handle when I'm having a struggle. There's other ones I can do when my breathing's bad, but my RA's okay. There's ones that I can do when my RA's bad, but my breathing's okay. At the moment, nothing's okay. But I'm gonna be okay. Well, I'm gonna keep going anyway. See, this is me. I don't hide who I am. As much as I like it when I look better, it's, you know, nice to look good or look better than I did. And there's times when I don't look great and I don't feel great, and I have to accept as part of my health issues. I think I'm going to puke, by the way. I do feel pretty rough at the moment, and I'm just praying I can get back to doing this without making myself too ill. But that's me for today, guys. Much love. Breathe easy, folks, and I will see you again, no doubt.